In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balance in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record an opening balance using a journal entry so that your books start off accurate and match your bank statement. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. To begin creating the entry, go to the top left and click the plus new button. This is where you create most transactions in QuickBooks, like invoices, expenses, and in this case, a journal entry. From the menu that appears, choose Journal Entry. This opens a new journal window, which is where we'll record your opening balance. Next, look at the date field at the top of the journal entry. You want to choose a date that is before your very first transaction in QuickBooks, often the first day of your fiscal year. For example, you might use January 1st of the current year. This ensures that the opening balance is in place before any activity appears in that account. Now move down to the first line of the journal. Under the Account column, click the drop-down and select the account you're creating an opening balance for. This is usually your bank account, such as your main checking account, but it could also be another balance sheet account you're setting up. Once you've selected the account, look at your bank statement for the balance as of the date you chose. Enter that amount in either the debit or credit column, depending on whether the account has a positive or negative balance. For a typical positive bank balance, you'll usually enter it in the debit column. The key is that the amount you type here should match exactly what's on your statement for that date. On the second line of the journal, under the Account column, search for and select Opening Balance Equity. This special equity account is used just for initial setup, to offset the opening balances of your accounts. When you select Opening Balance Equity, QuickBooks will automatically calculate and fill in the corresponding debit or credit amount so that the journal entry stays in balance. You don't need to do any extra math here. Just confirm that the total debits and credits at the bottom are equal. Before you save, add a clear description in the memo or description field, such as opening balance for checking account as of January 1st. This makes it easier to understand later on. Finally, review everything one more time, and when you're happy with it, click Save. Your opening balance is now entered in QuickBooks Online.